to her. Make sure my Miko straight. Yeah. Versace. My nigga right beside me. Okay. Versace. The block is popping. Versace. Whoa.
Oh, that's killer. That dough. They call me J-Watt for a reason. I kick down your door, your front door, your back door. Now my boys coming in, they'll strap you. I don't care, boy. This Riverside. Do me wrong, I'ma do you dirty. That's real talk. Real talk. I love Versace, bitch. I can't even fucking talk. When I see your ass in that Versace, it's like whoa. And it ain't nothing to a G. I keep it old. I keep it whipping, weapon. Niggas like, damn, jamming. He like, damn, he doing damage. He doing fucking damage.
Okay.
I kill a nigga over my damn money. So niggas acting like J-Watt, you funny. Nah, I ain't. I'm blowing on some damn dank. And I'm through that damn mid shit, bitch. You know how I do crank. I'm on it. And ain't nobody gonna stop me. I promise you. You call police, I'll come down in less than 15 minutes. I don't care. I'm on it. I'm grinding. I need it. I'm grinding. I'm greedy. I'm greedy. I'm greedy.
He say he greedy. I'm weeded. That bitch conceited. That money, I need it. Murk it, no reason. I just fucking feel like it's a gangsta ass season. Like T.I. say, nigga, I leave him bleeding. I don't give a fuck. Load up that truck. Load up that 9. I bet that bitch a dump. I bet Riverside go hard. Harder than they click. We be on that real, ripping shit. Flip it. We so swagged up. They know niggas all mad at us. What the fuck, nigga, Versace? If you want the shit, gotta stop me. Yeah, that ass fat, get it poppin'. Yeah, going straight to the top and you thought I was playing, nigga. Pay attention what I'm laying, nigga. Pay attention what I'm saying, nigga. I ain't fucking playing, nigga. I'm getting it, I ain't joking. I'm flamed up and I'm smoking and I'm holding and I'm toting and ain't none of this shit rolling. Okay, pass it back to J-Watt. We coming all top. We bout to flip them grams. We ain't gon' flop that truth.
Yeah, about a pound of marijuana. Need it every time. Bow. When I'm on my grind, niggas be like, stop lying. I be like, no, I'm not. Nigga, I'm getting in 124. 24/7. They like, damn, that nigga going to heaven, though.
Yeah.
I'm a real nigga, keep it real with my Riverside. And if you know Jesse Fat Back, he on the grind. He need to come spit this down with us, nigga.
Us?
What up, AK Trey? What shit? I ain't fucking with you.
Bang. Bang. And that shit like bang. What that nigga say? Out the window. Bang. Yeah.